Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
All along the Antarctic peninsula, both male and female chinstrap penguins have been commuting daily from the open ocean to collect food for their chicks. Mouthfuls of krill caught many miles away at sea are regurgitated. But one day, the chicks wait in vain for food. Their parents do not return. Over the next few days, driven by hunger, the chicks make their way down to the shore. The polar sea is challenging enough. For any penguin, this ice presents a real problem. But for the chicks, it's a disaster. They must get through this barrier to the open water if they are to feed. One, perhaps hungrier or braver than the rest, leads the way and tries skittering over the top, while the others watch. A leopard seal. This chick never had the chance to learn how to avoid the seal. Its end is inevitable. It's a lottery, and the lucky chicks make it out to open water. There is still an element of chance in life which an individual can do little about.